This is the best side hustle for 2024 and beyond. So check this out. So $1,000.12 from this app. Now let's look at the second app. $338 in last 28 days from the second app. Let's look at the third one. So this one, not a lot, $16 in last 38 days. That's like 2 cups of Starbucks. What is this side hustle and how can you make money from these apps like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram? I'm sure you use these every day, right? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. What is a side hustle? How can you monetize on these platforms that are very well known? Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, let's talk about this side hustle, which is really simple and awesome. Anyone can do this, and I think everyone should try to do it, because not only you can create some revenue, you can also build your brand, your personal brand, or your business. So number one, let's look at TikTok. So the side hustle is really simple. It's posting short form vertical content. I'm sure you've seen on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts. Actually, YouTube Shorts also you can monetize on there too. So the side hustle is really simple. It's posting short form vertical content. So this channel right here, I have a few channels on TikTok. This one is all about tech. You can see simple tech videos, and the program, the monetization program, let me show you that. So I'll click here. Now, creator tools. The monetization program is called Creativity Program Beta right here. So TikTok used to have something called Creator Fund. I was in that program. That wasn't making a lot of money. It was like few cents every day. But then I opted in. I got invitation to the Creativity Program Beta, and you can see for one video, if you look here, from one video, $533, another video $334, another video $159. So you can make a lot of money from just one piece of content. Now let's look at the details of this program. And by the way, if you want me to cover more details about all these programs, different monetization options I'm going to show you on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, let me know in the comments. I can create separate, more detailed videos to let you know about the details of these programs, like how do you even apply, how do you become eligible. So for example, if I go inside Creator Fund dashboard, you can see it was like cents every single day, 15 cents, 19 cents, 30 cents, 47 cents, right? But then once I got into the Creativity Program Beta, this is last 38 days, last 6 months, you can see over $1,000, and most of this happened recently. I actually got invitation to this program fairly recently, and you can probably tell from this graph here. Last couple of months I got into the program, and recently the videos started to take off. The other thing is on TikTok Creativity Program Beta, your RPMs, that's the revenue per 1,000 views, is 52 cents. That's a lot higher compared to Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform. So now let's look at that's the monetization from TikTok. The program name is Creativity Program Beta. Now let's look at, we're gonna go to Facebook. So Facebook, same thing. What you do is you post simple vertical videos, right? These videos could be entertaining. These videos, especially in my case, they are related to my business. So this income from ads on Reels, that's a program from Facebook. It's the ads on Reels program. This is kind of cherry on the top. This is not the main focus, the main revenue stream of my content, of my business. But you can see from this page, that's a Facebook Reel. Here's another Facebook Reel, short vertical video posted on the Facebook as a Reel. And then I got invitation into ads on Reels program. That's a monetization program on Facebook. So on TikTok, it was Creativity Program Beta. On Facebook, it's the ads on Reels. So how do you see that program? You're gonna click on your profile, and then click on Professional Dashboard. And now once it loads, here is the monetization tool. Here's the cool thing. So if you can see your tool, these are all monetization tools. So on Facebook, there are multiple ways you can monetize your content. For example, ads on Reel is what we're gonna see in today's video, but there's also in-stream ad, there's also bonuses. So I recently got into bonuses on this page. So far $33, but in the past, this was a different program that Facebook shut off, but you can see this page made $3 grand, $2 grand, another $3 grand, 1 grand from this. So this was actually a really good program to monetize your content. Now let's go back and look at ads on Reels. Once you get into this program, the way this works is you post simple short form videos, advertisers run ads, they pay Facebook keeps a cut of that, and you, since you are making Reels, you get paid. So here you go. By the way, if you're in the program and you wanna for some reason turn it off, you can go here and turn this off. I don't recommend that. I think if you are posting videos on Facebook, why not get paid? Here is the approximate earnings in last 20 days, and you can tell this is not a lot of income, but still, as a side hustle, why not? And if you create good content, you optimize, you use good hooks, you can actually get paid a lot. For me, it's not a main focus of my content, main focus of my business, but it's just cherry on the top, which is awesome. All right, so you can see the details of, so this one reel made $7, another reel $2. So you can see how much. That's the beauty of Facebook ads on Reels program. You can see how much each reel is making. Sometimes I make a 8-second reel and it makes me like over $10. So 30-second reels made, look at this, 92 cents. 5-second reel made $3 almost, right? 13-second reel made $2, right? So you can analyze your content, look at the analytics, and then identify what's making more revenue, and then make more of that type of content, right? So again, it's the ads on Reel program on Facebook. Now let's go to Instagram, where it's kind of like the least lucrative for me. But that's the beauty of these programs. And you know what's interesting is you can use the same piece of content on different platforms and get paid from TikTok, then Reels on Facebook, and then Reels on Instagram, and even like YouTube Shorts. So here you can see last 30 days only 16 cents. It's not a lot of money. And then you can, if you want to see the top Reels, by the way, the program is the same, it's ads on Reels, but it's separate. So on Instagram it's a different, and then on Facebook it's different. So you can get paid from, you can double dip, in other words, right? And then if you click on top Reels, let's see if I can go inside here, you'll be able to see how much, just like Facebook, you can see how much each reel is making. And again, if you want me to do more detailed comparison, eligibility criteria of these programs on all of these platforms, let me know. I can create separate videos for TikTok, and then ads and reels on Facebook, ads and reels on Instagram. Now, how do you access this? First of all, this is also invitation program on your TikTok profile. On the top right here, you're gonna see an invitation. That's how you will know you are in the program or you're invited into the program. And then once you accept that, go to your settings and privacy, then tools, controls here, and then this is the new option you're gonna start seeing. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off from here. I don't know why you would do that, but still. And then if all the details are here, right? So all you need is creativity, obviously, right? And this device, phone, and you can create vertical videos. It could be entertaining, but especially for business owner, this is awesome, because like me, even if the monetization from these platforms is not your main focus, you can use these videos to build your personal brand, to build your business. You can drive this traffic to your landing pages and grow your business. So don't think that you're only your content is only to make money from these platforms, which you can see it's not a lot of income in some cases. On TikTok right now is paying the most, but on other platforms it's not a lot of income, it's not a lot of revenue, but still you can build your brand and your business. Any questions, let me know about these side hustles, about posting short form content. Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.